kind of bored. I'm waiting for Netflix to load. Yeah. I'm here with my friends. They used to be my friends. They're not my friends anymore because they moved to Ace. And they don't even talk to me anymore. And I just get kind of triggered by it because, like, I mean, okay, if you ask them, they think we're still friends. But if you ask me, they're just assholes. They're so mean to me all the time. And all they want to do is go to stupid Ace to do dumb stuff. Like, what the heck? And also, I'm just mad. But I mean, it's okay. Life gets better, right? Anyways, do you wanna meet my friends? Okay. So this is me and Robert. And hold on, I'm on my way. Hold on. This is my friend Bethany. Say hi, Bethany. Sorry. Okay, that's Bethany. That's my friend Abby. Okay, see you guys later.